The most successful dental treatment in dentistry is implant. It has the highest rate of success, over 98 and above. And we also know that 1% is someone no one wants to be part of that statistics, or no one wants to have that situation happen to them, or even 2%. So in those cases, here at Stone Lodge, we offer to all our patients the guarantee that if one of their implants fail, we replace it under the warranty within the first 5 years of being placed. Now, let's go in detail, if I could, and why those implants could fail. There's multiple reasons. And one of the reasons could be there is residual infection on the bone from the prior tooth, or is a periodontal disease on adjacent teeth that gets transplanted to the recent implant, or simply the implant was placed in the wrong position, too close to the edge of the bone, and doesn't have the supporting bone surrounding the implant. Here at Stone Lodge, we use our available technology of 3D imaging to assess the bone volume and the bone quality that allow us to do accurate planning of the implant placement. That way we increase the probabilities and possibilities that the implant have the surrounding bone necessary to be in a successful environment in which it integrates to the bone, and obviously has a long, profound life in relationship with our biology. And I promise you that I have a commitment to excellence, and that Stone Lodge has a commitment to excellence, to utilize all our experience and all our training and every opportunity that we have to have the highest level of care in every possibility and every impossibility as well. But I emphasize that the most important aspect of any care process is when the team and the doctor cares. If the team and the doctor care, they can utilize that experience, that training, and use it to maximize the probability that that treatment and that condition on the patient improve. We're here for you. Stone Lodge Dental is prepared, ready to restore the full function of your teeth. Please call us and give us a try.